Microsoft Dynamics 365 is a suite of intelligent business applications that can include sales, service, marketing, as well as operations. Each of these areas serve to help an organization deliver upon their customer relationship strategies and provide an organizational perspective on those relationships. Let's discuss at a high level what each area contains. First, we have sales. Some of the common record types we'll talk about in the sales business application are leads and opportunities. Next, we have the service business application. Within the service business application, some of the common record types found are cases, entitlements, and the knowledge base. Additionally, we have marketing, which can help us create brand awareness of who we are. The most common record types used are marketing lists and campaigns. And finally, with operations, it provides an ERP solution for businesses by managing operations through shared master data, and it has capabilities to support financials, supply chain, project management, and human resources. So let's walk through some of these applications in a little more detail. Microsoft Dynamics 365 allows users to track different kinds of records that one might categorize as prospects, clients, and the individuals connected to those clients. The different records can be broken up into leads, accounts, and contacts. First, we'll discuss leads. A lead represents a potential customer with whom an existing relationship does not likely exist. For example, if a salesperson meets someone at a trade show and receives a business card, they might not know if this person is a viable customer or not. It is only after the salesperson has called upon this person or followed up with them in some way that they can determine if their needs align with what the salesperson and the organization can deliver. Once this is determined, a salesperson can measure how viable they are. If they are a viable customer, the lead would be qualified. If they're not considered a viable customer, the lead would be considered disqualified. Then we have accounts. An account generally represents a company or organization that is considered qualified, or companies that we've done business with for a period of time. In other words, an account is a group of people. Now, it's important to note that different companies may not refer to an account in this way and may use a different term. With that said, by utilizing Microsoft Dynamics 365's customization and configuration capabilities, the name of any of these record types or entities can be changed to align more closely with the company's needs and business as necessary. And then finally, we have contacts. Now, unlike accounts, a contact represents a person. An account can also be considered a customer, as if we're doing a business-to-person relationship. Additionally, in some cases, an organization who is using accounts within Microsoft Dynamics 365 might decide that they need to associate or link an account record with, or a contact record with an account record. For example, if Microsoft is set up as an account within Microsoft Dynamics 365, then there might be several contacts linked within the account. Another business application we'll be talking about in this course is the customer care functionality or the service business application. In this business application, there's various types of elements such as case management, and this might be considered a support case, a question, or even a request. Within Microsoft Dynamics 365, the case management functionality allows organizations to manage issues or questions to a resolution. Then we also have entitlements. An entitlement represents a contract that a customer has purchased from you for a certain number of allotments. The allotments could be a certain number of cases or even a certain amount of time that they get with you to be able to have support. This means that they'll be provided support from your organization based on those number of cases or based on that number of time. For example, your organization may offer your customers the option to purchase an entitlement to provide 24 cases for a certain product over a 12-month time period. Additionally, within the application, we have the ability to have service level agreements, or SLAs. Now, a service level agreement represents an agreement, either written or even more of a de facto kind of an agreement, between you and your customer. It defines a level of service that they can expect from you. For example, if a customer contacts you with an issue regarding a product, you have an agreement that you will contact that customer within a 3-hour window of time and will work with the customer to resolve the issue within a 3-day time period. Now, it's also possible to have SLAs tied to customer-specific entitlements. So, the customer may have 24 support cases available to them over a 12-month time period. And for each case submitted, we have 3 hours to contact the customer regarding the issue and 3 days to resolve each one of those cases. There's also the knowledge base. Within Microsoft Dynamics 365, you have the ability to create a repository of different types of support articles or informational articles that can be used either internally or sent externally to your customers to help them out. And then lastly, another component of the service application is the Interactive Service Hub. This is an intuitive and interactive experience for managing your customer service within the Dynamics 365 environment in a single place. It's loaded with rich dashboards and forms that pull together key service-related information, so it's possible to focus on what's important and get things done faster. And then we have another area of the system, which is the marketing functionality. So why does a company do marketing, and how does it tie to the overall Dynamics 365 strategy? Well, one of the keys to maintaining a customer base, as well as increasing the number of customers or clients an organization has, is to perpetuate your brand or creating awareness. Creating awareness is about who you are, what you do, and what makes you different from other viable options. Involves identifying what you do well, developing your message, and identifying who should get that message, getting it out there, and then tracking the effectiveness of that message. In other words, purposeful marketing is vital and can result in the development of a brand and get your organization's message to those who need it. Microsoft Dynamics 365 provides the tools to make it easier for your marketing staff to take advantage of the customer data you already have. They can join efforts with sales and more easily evaluate the success of marketing efforts. Overall, Microsoft Dynamics 365 enables you to extend effectiveness of your marketing department using marketing campaigns, marketing lists, and campaign templates. Marketing employees can identify, execute, and replicate effective marketing initiatives across sales channels. And finally, we have the Dynamics 365 for Operations. The Dynamics 365 for Operations is the Microsoft Enterprise Resource Planning solution for businesses that support global organizations by managing multi-site operations through shared master data and business processes in a single instance. It includes rich ERP capabilities for industry operational workloads such as retail, manufacturing, and public service, as well as horizontal operational workloads, including project management, budget foundation, and expense management, along with administrative core workloads of financials and human resource. So within a single solution, Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Operations helps enterprises meet their business requirements easily with deliberately built capabilities for various industries.